Hi everyone, nice meeting you all again. Well, my previous editions in helping you for your hardware and software should be useful, I believe. Okay, today we'll see a very important device which will be very useful to you. So, coming to the real life, we'll look into it. In case you are working in office or if you're having your own business, so what happens is, if you're working for a long time in your laptop or desktop, your mass storage device is hard disk. So here you're seeing a hard disk which is a desktop hard disk as well as a laptop hard disk. But here you're seeing a device which is common for some people who are regularly using, but for the people who doesn't know that, you will be knowing today what it is. Okay, so you'll be having a situation like your system, your laptop or your desktop gets crashed, your OS is corrupted and you are not able to recover your data, or you are not able to work on that OS. So in that case, you will be requiring a new operating system to install. So before that, if they say that your hard disk is crashed and you cannot install again any operating system, there is a technical issue there. I'll tell you later, where you cannot install your operating system but your data can be recovered, your files. So in that situation, what happens is, you can remove that hard disk with the help of a technician. So if it is a desktop hard disk, it will be like this. If it is a laptop hard disk, it is like this. And nowadays you have even SSD. I'll tell you about the SSD later on. SATA hard disk comes this type. Even for your laptop. Well, so SATA has nothing, where you have a data transfer around 6 gigabytes. SATA 2 is around 4 gigabytes and SATA 1 is around 2 gigabytes. Remember, bytes means it is 8-bit. 8-bit makes one byte. Okay, so remember this. If you are not able to continue with that hard disk, you are not able to reinstall any operating system, but you want only your files to be recovered. So what you can do is, you can buy a hard disk casing, known as hard disk casing. Nowadays it is sold in online market, and if you are in a main town, you can go to your any electronics or computer or retail shop, they'll give you. Okay, but you should know, like, what is the purpose of that. When you're buying a hard disk casing, see that this is a hard disk casing box. See that it is compatible to both. Like, I can fix my desktop hard disk as well as laptop hard disk. So how do I connect it? Simply your SATA connector, fixing this, press it, it gets connected to this connector, SATA connector. So this box comes with a power adapter. Okay, so this is a power adapter, and it provides 12 volt. Okay, it provides 12 volt to your hard disk motors as well as your data. Okay, So here this casing is provided with connectors. Remember, it's a on off switch. You have a on off switch, then your power connector, then you have a USB D type connector. Okay, fine. So what I do is, first I connect my power connector to this. Then I have a cable which is provided to you, a D type USB, which can be connected to your casing. So this is how you just connect it. Then next what you do is, you can connect to your wall socket or extension power cables, power connectors, fix it. Then you have indicators here, 3 indicators. Once you connect it, your green light will be glowing. Then you have a USB connector which you can connect it to your laptop or desktop. Then this hard disk will be highlighting as your third drive. Example, your hard disk, you are already running an operating system, and you will be having either one partition or two partition like C and D. So when you connect this hard disk, it will show as E and F. Already you have C and D, so next two drives will be showing as D, E and F. If it is two partition, it will be showing E and F. If it is only one partition, it is a single partition, it will show only one drive letter, that is E. Then from there you can recover your files, transfer it to your laptop or desktop system, or your any external hard disk, or the same hard disk which you are running your laptop or desktop. Well, so this is how you can recover your data. Now I showed you about your desktop hard disk. Now you can remove this. So in case I have a laptop hard disk, how to do that? So this casing is compatible for both. That is, it is compatible for both desktop as well as laptop. So what you do is, turn off your power switch, then you can remove this hard disk. Remove it and connect this laptop hard disk. So it got seated. So this is how it is, a 2-in-1, where you can recover from your crashed laptop or desktop, remove that hard disk. But do remember, remove your hard disk with the help of a technician. If you are aware of the technical aspects, you can remove it. Well, okay, so today this is how you can help yourself by buying a casing and recover your hard disk data. Because if you go to a computer service center, they might charge you exorbitantly. So this is how you can help yourself, and this casing will be costing from 500 to 600 depending on the brand. So it is available even in online market. Okay, so this is how today I can help you to minimize your cost, and I will show you in my next edition practically how you are going to connect it to your laptop or desktop. Thank you. Take care.